Hey girlfriends, welcome back to my channel. It's Gabrielle Ishell, and in today's video I will be showing you how I make my flaxseed and aloe vera prepoo mixture. So if you're interested, keep on watching. I'm using the same flax seeds that I used a couple weeks ago for my flaxseed gel video. I got those from Aldi, so they were no more than about $4. I'm using 1/4 cup of flaxseed, 1 cup of water, and I'm going to pour that into a pot. Turn the heat on to high and stir that for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then I'll let it sit on high for another 3 to 4 minutes. And once the texture is a little gooey but not too slimy, like the gel that I made a couple weeks ago, you want to turn the burner off. Just like in the last video, I use a stocking to help strain the flax seeds and separate it from the liquid that we made or that we infused the flax seeds with. So I'm using my little spoon to get all of the liquid out, and this time it's much easier to use the spoon because the liquid is a little more liquidy than the gel consistency that I had a couple weeks ago. The other day I was not able to use a spoon to really help me separate the gel from the flaxseed, and this time it was much easier because the liquid was a little thinner than when I made the gel. So I'm taking an aloe vera plant, fresh aloe vera that I got from my local grocery store, and I cut it up into little pieces. Look how slimy and kind of cool it is. But heads up, this is very messy, and I was scared that it was going to stain my counter because my counters are kind of light and they get stained pretty easily. So anyways, make sure you have a plate or something that can catch all the liquid that comes out of the aloe vera, because it was just falling out and I didn't even realize it. So I had to really clean up my counter afterwards, like a deep clean. I'm putting the aloe vera into this mixing cup, and I'm using this hand mixer that my cousin actually got for me for Christmas. I poured a little bit of water in here just so that the aloe vera will be a little bit easier to mix up. I think this hand mixer is pretty cool, so I'm actually really glad I got it. I'm using the same stocking that I used to strain out the flaxseed just because I don't want to waste stockings. I don't really go anywhere that needs stockings, but I do have some from last year that I can use for this, but I don't have an abundance of stockings, if you know what I mean. So recycling is the way to go. Although when I was done with this project, I did throw them away, but yeah. So now I'm mixing it up a little bit, a lot of it. I'm pouring it into the container that I will use to be applying the aloe vera mixture into my hair.
Even though we mix up the aloe vera really well, we want to make sure that we're using the stocking to strain out the extra gushy, gooey stuff, because look, as I press in the stocking, what's left over.
First off, let's smell the aloe vera plant, because two of my curl friends, well, one really actually said it in her video, but the other agreed in the other girl's video. So LaCosta and Charisse, they said it stinks. And no one ever talks about that, and that's so true. Yeah, it's not the most appealing smell. Got it on my nose. Okay, let me go put this up. Yeah, it's not that great. Okay, so I'm back, and I guess you guys didn't see me before, but I'm only wearing makeup because I filmed 2 other videos today. You know, I only wear makeup for YouTube right now, and might as well get multiple videos in while I'm wearing makeup so I don't have to keep applying. So batching my videos is what I've been doing. Anyways, I'm probably gonna make a mess of it right now as I apply this aloe vera. This is a 2-week-old hair, and I have not detangled yet or anything. So I need to detangle, pre-poo for wash day. Okay, it's a little jelly, so it's not that messy. Well, that's good. So just going to apply it like that. Okay. Pretty good. Oh, pretty good. Yeah, I think next time maybe I'll put an oil in here to kind of help the smell out a little bit, but I'm going in with my Cosmolay heat brush. I did a review on this a couple weeks ago. I will leave that. Oh, okay. This mixture of the aloe and the brush is really good. So let me scoot up, because look at these curls, guys. So, and it's really soft too. On this side, I don't think I'm putting enough of the product in, so I'll show you an updated way of how I was doing it, because as I did more, I added more product. So, and I'm going to apply more, and there's no set amount, I don't think, but I wasn't getting my hair all gooey like this, but you can see the product on here, and it is kind of defining my curls. So I wonder if I can use this as a leave-in. So the thing is, you want to coat your hair in aloe vera, and that is what I was not doing. Like I said, it was still good, but it wasn't like, look at that, look at that. Curls at the end.
See how easy that was? I've been filming this for 8 minutes and I did my whole, I'm on the last section on the left side right now. So it does kind of help with the time, cutting down how long it takes to actually pre-poo my hair. I use a lot, so I have to like kind of dip my hair in it so I don't spill, because I actually spilled it on my shirt. Y'all see this length? Y'all see this length? Hey. Okay, so I have finished pre-pooing my hair, and I must say that this has helped me. It really has improved the time that it takes to pre-poo my hair. I used half of the bottle and it looks a little disgusting because my hands are slimy and I'm touching the bottle. So yeah, but I used half of, I can't even hold it straight because my hands are so slippery. I used half of the bottle. There is a lot of slip with this stuff. And aloe vera has so many benefits, and so does flaxseed. I'm so excited to be getting back into DIY hair products because I used to do that a lot when I was relaxed, but when I was transitioning, I just wanted to stick with what I knew worked. So I didn't do too many DIYs on my hair while I was transitioning. But now that I'm fully natural, I am going to seize this opportunity to keep doing more DIYs. I absolutely love this, and I see aloe vera being used all the time in the natural community, but also one of my very favorite YouTubers and curl friends, Charisse Nicole. I'll leave her YouTube channel down below, but she always uses aloe vera in her hair routine, and I promised her that I would use it, and she gave me a deadline. I didn't make that deadline, but I finally did use it, and I absolutely do love it. I just really didn't want to go through the hassle of making my own product, but this actually saves me time. So I don't know why I didn't do this sooner. Water is the best way to moisturize your hair, but I feel like aloe is a second best. This is really good. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair, style it as I normally would. But I think I'm going to be incorporating this into my routine from now on. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and also click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I post. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever made an aloe vera mixture. In that comment, let me know what you mixed with it, because there are so many different ways and so many different ingredients you can use to make an aloe vera prepoo, detangler, leave-in. There's so many different combos. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you did, and if you haven't used aloe vera, let me know if you would like to do it in the future, or if you plan to do it in the future, and if you're going to use this recipe that I just showed you, or if not, that's fine too. But thank you for watching. I do appreciate your view. Don't forget to share this video out. If you thought it was very helpful, I would appreciate it if you share it with your curl friends. I'm sure they would appreciate it too, and I would appreciate you for doing that. So thank you again so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!